Awesome. So a really important lecture, and why it's so important is because we're going to go through the different types of Instagram ads that you can run. But more importantly, and surprisingly enough, there's actually an ad type out there that is 60 times cheaper than the other ad types. And that's the one that I need you to know about. That's the one I need you to run on your account in order for you to grow as fast and as cost effectively as possible. So you have to understand there's two main types of Instagram ads. One is a feed. Obviously, it appears in the news feeds and it appears in on people's profile pages. And the other one is a story ad, which is going to appear at the top of your Instagram account inside other people's stories. So the story ads are things like this. You can have videos, you can have photos, you can have the ability to swipe up. These three here are all examples of really good story ads, and you can tell they're story ads because of the word sponsored under their username, and because most of the time you're not actually going to be following these accounts. But you can see that they are quite eye-catching, and they're very well put together. So these are the top types of ads from really big accounts that spend a lot of money on advertising. And this is why you want to go through your ads and see what you see. And I want you to make sure that you're not copying all ads, but you're copying ads that actually work. So you need to make sure that these people have really strong ads in order for you to replicate that for yourself. But these story ads are going to be seen in the story section of Instagram, where you can swipe up and you can have a direct call to action to their website or to their profile. And we'll go through that in just a second. The other type obviously is a feed ad, which will come in the news feed on your home screen of your Instagram app, and it'll come through as a sponsored post like this example here. You can come through as a photo. It could also come through as a carousel where you can swipe across the images and you can see the different images that this person is promoting. For this one, they're promoting different items in their store in a carousel. And there's also a video. So you could actually watch a video as an ad inside of your Instagram app. Now, this video is not playing right now for us, but you can see the little mute icon in the bottom left, which shows that it is a video. And remember, you need to actually put subtitles on your videos for the people who don't turn sound on. This is actually a really cool one. This is a translate the voice of your cat in an app. And you can see what they've got underneath the actual ad, the video, is an install now button, which takes them to the App Store where they can go and they can actually install this app. So here's the video. Really cool eye-catching video that you can go and install pretty quickly. Now, that's a very quick ad, but a lot of people are at home, pretty bored. It'd be very easy for them to now go and install that app. So they're the different types of ads, both in your feed and in your story. Now you need to know that on all of these ads, all these different types of ads, you can promote to two different things. One, you can promote to your website or your store, and two, you can actually promote to your Instagram account. Now, this is the ultimate question. You may want to test both of these for yourself, but with our account, we had really, really incredible results. Not pushing to a sale, but pushing to a follow. And I want to show you exactly why. So in the first example, you've got an ad and it's going to promote directly to your website, which is of course trying to promote to a sale. So you're normally running through cold traffic, people who haven't seen your stuff before, don't really know you, they don't really trust you that much. And then you can't actually get in front of them again if they don't buy, or if they do buy, there's no way that you're capturing this person's information. The better way to do this, and the success that we had with our account, was to run an ad, push to a follow, then build trust with our content, and then get a sale. And remember, if they don't get a sale, they still follow you. You still have them getting updates on your information. You can run more ads to them. You can put out organic content to them, build the trust, and then get a sale later on. So this is why we always try to push not to a product, but back to our Instagram account first. So whether that is a feed or a story. Remember at the start of this lecture, I said that one ad is actually 60 times cheaper than the other for us. So we ran both these ads in order to push back to a follower. So we were trying to get as many followers as possible for as cheap as possible, making sure they're genuine, they're relevant, and they're targeted. And our feed ad and our story ad performed very differently. One cost us 61 cents per follower, and the other one cost us 1 cent per follower. Now, if you can have a guess, if you're playing along at home, which one do you think was cheaper, the story ad or the feed ad? So, I think you probably got this right. The story ads, they're actually 60 times cheaper for us in our results, and we're getting 1 cent followers using story ads. And I put this down to the higher engagement in the stories, the better chance to actually show someone something cool. So we had a video which sound was automatically on. We had a very eye-catching video, which I've actually showed you the video inside this course already. And I'm going to be going through exactly what content you can put into your videos and your ads. Remember, videos work so much better than photos. Story ads work so much better than post ads. So the best, most powerful ad you can run is a video story ad to not your website, but to follow your account, or link back to your account so that they have the chance to convert and follow, so you can build trust and affinity and have contact with these people in the future if they don't buy your stuff straight away. So hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, please watch this one again, because this is a really, really powerful lecture that you need to grasp, that you need to do a story ad in video format with a prompt to follow you, and then later on we monetize these followers.